Here we are going to unbox the new Scarlett Solo Studio. My friend got it from somewhere, so I just thought, like, why not give it a review? And so this is Scarlett Solo. I'm not sponsored by them. It's by my friend, and I bought it. So I think this is Scarlett Solo is actually a third generation microphone. It's a third generation. You get a condenser mic, you get an interface, and some headphones. And this is a pretty good pack for startups on YouTube and for music. This is a cheap option you can find on. It costs you around $219. So when you unbox it, you'll find out some this instructions on the board. And in here you get a microphone. That's a condenser microphone. And all right, let me open it. So this is a condenser microphone, and it's kind of a bit heavy. You know, even if you can feel it in your hand, and there's a nice grill out there, and it's a cardioid one, which means you can, you know, pick up sound from all positions. And it have got a jack for we get interface. So this is an interface. It's a solo interface, which means only used for one microphone. So there is no multiple jacks. You can only use one jack for your, and especially one thing you can you know, some interfaces do not provide this like layering for protection, but this one has a protection, so it's a cool one. And this is your interface, this is your microphone. And as we move on, we got a jack that fits into your microphone on the one side, and on the other side you're gonna fit it in here. And we'll make a proper audio test for this you know, Focusrite Solo Scarlett microphone, so you must watch that as well. So this again a microphone holder, but this is a really nice one because this is all metal, and in there I can feel some screws, like you can easily, you know, round it up. So this is a really solid metal piece, and I liked it because in cheap microphones you usually find nothing like that, because this in cheap, when you buy a cheap microphone, this is probably a plastic one, but this one is a really great idea. I loved it, the burns. And you get a C-type charging cable, like similarly we have seen in like it's a 2.0 charging cable we have seen in the iPad earlier, if you have seen that video. Some paperwork and instructions, and a nice pair of headphones, and with a really big jack, which kind of fits in on the back side in here. Sorry. So this kind of fits in here, so when you're working on your headphones, and you can use these headphones because this comes in a whole pack. So that's why it's called the Scarlett Solo Studio, for a solo person who is using you know, having a studio. So they have got a microphone, headphones, and some interface. And if you think you like this review on the unboxing of this Scarlett Solo Studio, please make sure to leave a comment if you bought it, and if you think this is a good product, please make sure to leave a comment and let our audience know. And we will see you in another video. Keep visiting Tigers Schooling.